What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and shine your tires just like a pro. Now, we just finished a full detail on this amazing SL55 Mercedes, and I don't think any detailing job is finished unless you finish it off with a nice, perfect tire shine. Now, on any detailing job, I don't want a greasy, nasty looking tire. I want a clean black tire with a rich finish. And to get that today, we're going to use our Mastersons tire and trim shine. Now, this is our original formula. It's a cream formula that gives a brilliant, nice shine without that greasy feel. It's a dry to the touch tire shine. And you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, these tires are perfect to have some tire shine applied to the finish. They're clean and ready to be applied with our Mastersons tire and trim shine, and it's going to be a perfect finish to this detailing job because our tire shine never slings. It goes on the finish, it sinks into the finish of the tire, and that way it's going to give that nice look and UV protection. Now, these tires have not been dressed in a long time, and you can tell because they have some like browning on the tire. Now, we're going to clean off that tire's browning with our Mastersons super cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner with no color and no scent, and this is going to take off the browning in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get positioned, and let's grab a microfiber towel. This is our Mastersons original red microfiber towel. And I'm not going to use any brushes. I'm just going to do this using a microfiber towel. We've actually already cleaned this tire with degreaser, but just from sitting around, it's actually turned brown. Now, what we're doing is we're actually trying to take off the browning that's inside of the tire, because just from sitting unprotected in the sun or even around anywhere while driving or even parked, your tires can actually become brown from dirt just sticking to the tire. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a protectant on it, and it's going to give it a nice, perfect finish. So now that I've gone ahead and wiped the tire down, look at all of the nasty dirt that I've taken off of the tire. So I'm going to flip my towel to a clean side, and I'm going to buff it off. Now, the reason you want to give it a good cleaning and wipe down of your tires before you apply any tire dressing is so the tire dressing or the protectant is going to bond to the tire much better. Our Mastersons tire and trim shine is designed to last for weeks. So when you put it on the tire, it's going to last for weeks, and you're going to get that maximum protection by just giving it a good cleaning with our super cleaner. Now look at the difference already. The tire's looking much better, and it's actually perfectly clean. There's no dirt on it coming onto my hands, so we know that it's a perfectly clean tire, and we're going to get a good bond to the dressing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Mastersons Pro-Foam Applicator Pad. You can also pick this up on our website, and this is what I'm going to use to apply the tire dressing to the tire. So let's take our tire and trim shine, shake it up, and let's put a little bit on our applicator pad. There we go. I love this applicator pad because it holds the dressing. Check out how that applicator pad doesn't let the dressing drip off. So we can let it drip around on the applicator pad and then spread it right on the tire. And we'll actually do half this tire and show you guys the difference right when we apply this tire shine. I love how this tire shine goes on. It gives a nice, deep black finish, but when it dries, it's going to be dry to the touch. There we go. Now, what you want to do when applying your tire shine is you want to rub the tire shine into the rubber. Make sure that it penetrates deep into the rubber, and you can also take your applicator pad and go a little bit onto the top treads. So now we got half the tire spread out with the tire and trim shine on the tire, and check out the difference. The tire and trim shine gives a deep black finish, and once it dries the tire, it's going to be dry to the touch. It doesn't give that oily, nasty look. Now, as a detailer, I've been detailing my whole entire life. I want the paint to shine. We actually did a full paint correction on this vehicle, and the paint just shines like a mirror. And I want the tires to look good, but I want the eyes to go to the paint. Now, this gives the perfect look to tires, the Mastersons tire and trim shine. It's one of my favorite products. Works on all tires, low profile, big, small tires as well. So we're going to go ahead and spread it out on the rest of the tire and give it the complete look. So now we got the tire shine applied to the complete tire, and check out the look. It really does give a perfect finish to tires and trim. Now, the way I like to finish off the tire after I have the whole product spread out is I like to take the clean side of my microfiber And I just like to give it one last wipe. I'm just taking off any excess that didn't get absorbed into the tires. Tires are porous. And so what we're doing is we're pushing the protectant into the pores of the tire to make sure it's protected. Now this formula also has UV solar protectants inside of the formula as well. So those UV solar protectants are going to prevent the tire from cracking and fading over time. Now look at the finish, it just looks fantastic. And it's dry to the touch too. I put my hand over it, check that out, it's dry to the touch. That's the best thing about this tire shine. This water-based tire shine goes on all plastic, rubber, and vinyl trim as well. So it's gonna work on your door handles, your mirrors, your bumpers, but I love it on tires. It's the perfect formula and it doesn't drip off and never slings. So if you wanna pick up our Mastersons Tire and Trim Shine, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. And once again, check out the finish on this beautiful wheel. It sets off the chrome wheel, the tire looks perfect, and that black mirror paint just looks amazing. Plus when you have chrome wheels like this, you wanna bring the attention to the chrome wheels. Let the tires just look like an accent to the wheels, and now we got that perfect finish. Now if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm gonna go ahead and get doing all the rest of the tires, and then we're gonna get finishing up this detail. I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.